Intro.
Hello guys. May nawalan sa amin ng notebook. Nagluod-luod. Yun, galit. Galit. Lala. Galit. Ikaw magalit. Nel, kami nagtago nun. I-introduce mo yung mga subject mo. Hello guys, Lazy 3 here.
Lazy 4.
Lazy 4.
Lazy 3 kasi.
Lazy 4, Lazy 4.
Kasi yung isa kayo Lazy.
Hi guys! Apila na kasi yung vlog. Apila ko ba? Hi guys! So, mag-practice day mi karon. Hari!
Day 4.
Day 4! Guys, day 4. Day 4
Fans of Lazy 4 because they are so lazy.
Kami ang original.
wala kaming pake. So, we take this vlog guys kasi busy yung Lazy 4. Busy sila oh.
Yes.
Yan.
Ano, nag-chismis-chismisan sila sa Gedli and
Yes.
and we are going to our practice in our gymnasium.
No! Dito lang tayo kasi alam mo, madaming nagpa-practice. Ay! Hoy, mas bet jud sa gym, guys.
Yeah, because it's
We're
so
heading
nice
to gym, guys.
practice.
Oh my God, wala na akong makita
And
dito
gym
sa cellphone.
because there's a lot of spaces to occupy. Pati yung sa to.
Naka-9 lang ko sa mapping.
Naipod ko, bakit? Bakit? Ah, guys!
Knowledge lang to.
Balik namin dito.
So, guys, we're so tired of going to gym for practice.
Hindi ka mag-practice.
Hala, guys, nawala ng Lazy 4.
The Lazy 4 is gone. We are the ano.
Ha? Ha? Ansa? Hubag daw kaayo. Ansa hubag?
Huwag ka sabay-sabay pang lower section.
Ansa yung gingon? Ansa yung gingon?
Aslong daw mo.
Oy, maban na mong account.
Bye.
Oy,
Bye.
okay, magban.
Bye.
Guys.
Oy, maban na mong account. Hoy, maban. Ikaw na.
Asa si Jonah?
This is the day 4 of becoming a vlogger. We're here.
Charles, interview mo si Charles.
We have, Charles? 49 subscribers. 7 subscribers.
Sino yun?
Pag naka 40 subscribers tayo, magbili tayo cupcake.
Oh, bili kami cupcake.
Bili kami cupcake. Magkaano kami? Magka 100 subscribers. Bili kami chupon cake. Para pag magtaas, bili kami ng cake. Oh, bye guys.